Welcome to Thiru Academy. Today we are going to discuss about BeanUtils.copyProperties. In Spring Boot we have that method, right? In BeanUtils we have that method. Okay, how we can use that method? In which scenario we can use that method? Okay, I want to explain now. Okay, this is the one entity class. This is the entire project is one of the microservices project which I have developed. Okay, now we'll see how we can use BeanUtils. Okay, this is the one entity class. Okay, we can identify like this class is annotated with @entity, right? In this entity class we have 4 properties: product ID, product name, price and quantity. This is the product response class. In this we have only 3 fields. Here in this product response also I want to create this property, product ID. Okay, fine, I am creating now, and I want to copy this product field information into product response directly without using that builder pattern. Here I have used that builder pattern. Okay, from DB we are receiving that entity object product, and from entity object we are passing that reference product, whatever that entity class we have provided that product information to product response entity class. Okay, without using that builder pattern, how we can develop now? Okay, I'll show you. Wait, BeanUtils.copyProperties method is there. Okay, we need to use that. Here product is the source, right? From that we need to copy to product response. See, we need to create object for this. Okay, new product response object we need to create. We need to copy this field values to from product to product response we need to copy. Simple. All the properties whenever it is possible, that means whenever we have the same fields in the entity class as well as model class, it is possible. Okay, now I am running this application. This is a get product by ID, right? I will show you the output also. I am starting that server. It will take little bit time. Yeah, fine. Application is running with 8090 port. Okay, we will test it through Postman. Before that we need to see in database whatever the product details available. Okay, see product ID 952, 952, 953 and 1002 is available. Okay, see for this endpoint URI I have created /product. See in controller you can check it. Yeah, see this is the product and ID we need to pass to get that product details. Okay, yeah, see 1002 is there, get product. See we are getting product information, right? 1002 product ID, that product details we are getting. In this way we can copy the property values, entire property values. If both classes have the same properties, we can copy those properties into another class by using BeanUtils class of Spring Boot. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.